Sit tight, Auckland. You're staying in lockdown for at least another 8 days after 33 new cases in our biggest city today. Wellington, you've got 2 new cases, so you and the rest of the country will stay in level 4 until Friday night. So today's 35 cases are a record number for this Delta outbreak and take the total in the community to 107. But the South Island continues its golden run. Once again, no cases. Expert modeller Sean Hendy says this Delta outbreak could grow up to 1,000 cases. Political reporter Jenna Lynch begins our coverage.
The capital's extension expectations.
Yeah, I think lockdown will definitely be extended.
Maybe another week.
Probably another couple of weeks.
Oh, the weekend, if not another week.
And the reality.
All of New Zealand will remain at level 4 for an additional 4 days until 11:59 p.m. Friday.
Yes, sorry Southerners, although you're yet to get a case, you're staying in lockdown with the North.
With the head start Delta had, it did manage to create contacts all over the country.
As shown on this contact heat map, and because of that big blue patch of concentrated contact dots up to the north.
For those in Auckland, I have different news.
The City of Sails is in this for a longer haul until next Tuesday at least.
Your time in level 4 needs to be at least that full 14 days.
We now have over 100 cases and officials aren't sure they've fenced this flare-up.
Obviously, the government feels it's lost control of this COVID-19 Delta variant in the community.
The safest option for all of us right now is to hold the course for longer.
So deserted motorways are here to stay, along with little lockdown activities.
Going to play some basketball, which has been fun.
Oh, like reading all the novels I got for Christmas.
I've managed to dig up some old puzzles from old newspapers.
I'm in charge of sanitising, spraying my floor on my apartment building.
But it ain't easy.
Terrible. I hate lockdown. It's just driving me crazy.
Because you keep hoping it's not going to go on too long.
My whole business is shut down because of lockdown, so I'm kind of stuffed.
Can't believe that we can go on forever like this. It's just nuts.
We've done it before and we will do it again, so stay with it.
All right, New Zealand, just a little longer.
Well, Jenna joins us now from Parliament. And Jenna, you've got some new information about how many of our active COVID cases have been vaccinated.
Yeah, that's right. Newshub can reveal just 17 of the 107 cases have had their jab. That's just over 15%. We just asked the Ministry of Health for a breakdown of how many had had 1 dose versus their 2 doses. They've just come back to us and told us only 3 of those 17 have had 2 doses. Now, it might be surprising for some people to hear that people have caught COVID despite having the vaccine, but remember, the vaccine doesn't necessarily always prevent the transmission of COVID. It does mean that symptoms are less severe and you are less infectious. The Prime Minister says that she's expected the vaccination rates among this outbreak to be quite low because there are a lot of young people in it, and of course they haven't had the call up to get the jab yet. But 15% is abysmal, and it will give a little extra ammunition to the opposition's argument that we wouldn't need this lockdown if we had it vaccinated faster.
Tēnā koe, Jenna.